Hey guys, Sharon here from SLPM Wooden Resin. So the last couple days I got 2 orders for my trippy smiley face rolling tray, and I just figured I'd do a quick video on how I make those. Now the technique is not something new, it's definitely something you can find other videos on, but all the videos that I have watched in the past on this technique are all done on cups. And one day I was like, why not try it on a tray? My Etsy shop caters more to smoking accessories, so why not try it on a tray? So I have already painted the tray in the rainbow colors. I did that last night and I was super tired and I didn't even think about recording it, but nothing crazy. Super simple. You take your different colored spray paints and do quick lines across. They don't have to be perfect because majority of it's going to get covered up by the black spray paint anyway. So here we go. And by the way, I'm sorry I'm doing this one-handed. I know I should have my tripod set up, but I don't. For this, I will be using Great Value dish soap. All the videos I've seen have said, oh, you have to use Dawn. You don't have to use Dawn. It's not a big deal. So we're just going to drizzle, there, more of the red. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do hands almost empty, so hopefully we can get the coverage I need. Sorry if I just missed a ton of that. Alright, so I'll turn this off for a second, take this in the house, then I'll show you how to rinse. Alright, we're back. So when you rinse, I do suggest having a clean sink, because if there's any kind of like stuff stuck to the bottom, your spray paint will stick to that and then it will wash off, but it's easier if you just have a clean sink. And now I know not everybody has this kind of nozzle, but this is the nozzle I like to use. We just rinse it off. Rinse, make sure you get all that soap off. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm sorry if I'm getting shaky or, you know. One day I'll get better at making videos. That. There we go. That's it. And then we'll let it dry. And then it'll get a decal and some resin. And that's about it. Pretty easy. Okay guys, I had totally intended on showing you the decal process, but my camera shut off, so we'll move on to the resin. I'm going to mix up about 60 milliliters of resin. That's a little too much, but I'd rather have more than enough. So as you can see, I use matte black. The resin sticks better to matte. So over the vinyl, it's okay. This resin will bring back all sorts of pretty shit. I'm impatient, and I like to see things. And then set this along to the side. And move on to the next one. I actually use definitely have cat hair or something stuck in this one and it's bugging me. But I think it actually is stuck in the paint, so I don't think there's anything I can do about it. Well, that's that. Thank you for watching. Check out my Etsy store, the link will be in the bio, and I'll also list other links for the stuff that I use. Alright, hope to see you again.